and today we're going to be using the June kit, and that is going to be the main kit only for this layout. And I'm going to be using my favorite things, which are pattern paper. Always love my pattern papers. I love my flowers and butterflies. So what I did for this layout, I pretty much made use of the pattern papers that come with the main kit. And I fussy cut the large little retro square. I don't know what this design right here, I don't know what it's called. It's like making it come back right now. But I decided to fussy cut it and use it kind of as a frame or a base for the layout. And I used this other pattern paper that I laid it on because it was a really simple pattern, and it blended right in. It wasn't too much for the eyes to look at, so I just placed it right on the back of this other pattern paper. And I use foam tape to prop up pretty much everything on my layout. I have different sizes. I go in and they're thin ones, they're thicker ones. I have foam dots. So pretty much everything I stuck to this page, I used foam tape, and I'm used to it. So my 12 by 12 scrapbook albums are pretty thick, and I know that it's just gonna, like, I'm gonna have to use more albums because they take up space, but that's something I find that I'm okay with because it's just a part of the way I like to create, and that's what makes it really fun. Added depth and dimension to the layout. So yeah, I'm always gonna use my foam tape, but if you're not good with the foam tape, then just go in with your tape runner or your glue and put it on your page, whatever makes you comfortable, whatever makes you happy. I think that's why we all do this fun scrapbooking hobby, not only to record important memories in our lives, but also to, hey, have fun, let off stress. When I don't create for a few days in a row, I feel like, okay, I don't feel right. Like, I need to make something. So for me, just having fun, not overthinking it, laying things out on the page can be really therapeutic. And I just appreciate this paper crafting hobby of ours. So, one thing I've been having fun lately is using more than one title or more than one phrase on my layouts, and you're going to see that that's something you do today. I used a lovely day on this jean pocket. Can we just talk about how fun the pockets with the flowers are? It's like a whole fun new way to be creative and see what you do or don't like about it. I think another fun thing with the flowers are you can put little diamonds or rhinestones or enamel dots in the center of the flowers. I do go back and add a few leaves to fill out the pocket. It's just a lot of fun. Oh, you know what? If you're from the late 90s, early 2000s, you can even do like a rhinestone outline on your layout, if you know what I mean. Yeah, we really loved our rhinestones and all the fun things. Take me back to those easier times. But today I have a picture of my daughter, my husband, and I. Last year we were just going for a walk in the park on a beautiful day, and just the simplicity sometimes to stop and slow down and admire nature. We do live in the South. We live in Atlanta, Georgia, and just to slow down and take in and be okay and to just exist is really good on some days. Not overthinking it, not stressing or worrying. So this was a beautiful, lovely day in the park, and living here in the South, we love our parks. So, yeah. So I like to record them. And so what you may not know is I'm sitting in my kitchen nook for this layout, and I start to wrap things up pretty fast. This is where I get the best light in my whole house. Like, this was actually a stormy day. It was dark. Clouds were outside and it was dark. It was about to rain. I don't know if you can see the flash of lightning that's going to come across the screen in a few minutes. But that's when I said, oh no, I got to hurry up. It's going to rain. And the last thing I want to do is be sitting in front of this large mirror in my, not mirror, this large window in my kitchen nook where I'm lightning bait. I don't know if you're from the South, but I know in the South we don't play here when it storms. And the layout is done. Beautiful kits. I love the retro, bright, happy vibes. Remember, all hip kit all Hip Kit kits are exclusive to Hip Kit Club. You do get different discounts when you subscribe and add on your different kits, and there's so much to choose from. Thank you so much for following along. Head to the hipkitclub.net website to see the new July. Yep, that's right, the July kits. Thank you. Bye.